Life history variations. This topic is taken from the chapter of organisms and population. So, in life history variations, we are going to study about Darwinian fitness and some important trends which we have to follow to achieve this. So, in life history variation, what happens, each and every organism have different life history, right? But the common thing is that the population always tries to increase its reproductive fitness for the survival, right? This is also called as Darwinian fitness, okay, means which has a high R value. Populations tend to increase their reproductive fitness in order to survive better. This is known as Darwinian fitness, high R value. So, as we all know, reproductive fitness is very much important, as reproduction is very important for the purpose of survival, right? So the population always increases the reproductive fitness in order to survive. This is known as Darwinian fitness. This is the most common thing, that population tries to increase its reproduction or else it tries to maximize its reproductive fitness. This is called as Darwinian fitness, which has high R value. R means intrinsic rate of natural increase. Some of the most important trends they follow in course of achieving this. In order to achieve the Darwinian fitness, we have to follow this some important trends. Some organisms breed only once in their lifetime. Example, salmon, bamboo. What salmon, bamboo trees do is they reproduce only once in their lifetime. They can reproduce only once in their lifetime, but they produce large number of offspring. While they reproduce only once, but they produce large number of offspring. The most common example we can take is bamboo tree. Bamboo tree breed only once in their lifetime, but they produce large number of offspring. Some breed many times. Example, birds, mammals, human beings, right? Birds, mammals have the opportunity to reproduce multiple times. They have the choice for reproduction for many times, okay? Whereas bamboo, salmon, such type of trees, they can breed only once in their lifetime. They cannot breed more times. They can breed only once time. Whereas birds, mammals can reproduce many times. Some produce a large number of small sized offsprings. Example, oyster. What oyster do? They produce large number of small sized offspring. They do not produce large sized offspring, but they produce large number of small sized offspring, okay? Example, oyster. Some produce small number of large sized offspring. Example, birds, mammals. What birds, mammals do? They produce small number of large sized offspring. They produce large offspring, large sized offspring, but which is in a small number. This is the most easiest topic where we understand about Darwinian fitness, where the population tends to increase the reproductive fitness mainly to survive better in the life, and some of the trends we follow to survive, such as where some organisms breed only once in their life, such as bamboo, where some breed many times, such as birds, where some produce large number of small sized offsprings. Example, oyster, where some produce small number of large sized offspring. Example, birds or mammals. Very simple.